Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made a simple Gobi 65. Boil some cauliflower, add in salt, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice or vinegar. Mix it really well. Now add in the flour. I'm using some maida and rice flour. Mix it really well. Now we are gonna deep fry these. Deep fry it in some hot oil. Fry till nice and golden brown. Drain it. That's it, your Gobi 65 is done. Meanwhile, I made some quick rasam. For a snacks box, it is strawberries. So I used to soak my strawberries in some vinegar water. Now let's mix the rasam rice. So add in a little bit extra rasam and make it a little loose. So the consistency will be perfect during lunchtime. So this is what I packed in my kids' lunchbox. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made